Park, Disney, California.
To upload and then the gate will open up. Tickets. I don't know about the next party.
$8:27 and it says 15 minutes, so by the time we get there it's gonna be 30. See, this is why I like Disneyland better than Walt Disney World, because you can just see everybody wherever and you're walking. Yes, it does. And then you got popcorn on the side. The line's not that big for it, but I've seen like resellers have like 6 bags full of them.
Oh yeah. I want the cone. Oh yeah, nice.
And it explodes. I don't even know their names. I need to figure out their names. Oh. There's some that come with a drink, I believe. It's her first churro, and that's gonna be her first churro too. And I'll probably have one later.
You know what this would go really good with? A mimosa.
Once it comes to 11 o'clock, we're gonna cross over. It goes from down there all the way up here to down there. I wouldn't get in that line. I'll go find something else to do. She wants this. It's $60. Oh, damn. Buy it now and go leave it in the car.
That's a lot.
Leave the park and then she can have it. You gonna wear this? All the ears. Super cute. Display only. Never to be written again. I don't think you can hear it. Do you got spoon? I mean, it's like a little like IPA taste at the end.
Whoa, whoa.
It's not like good. champagne. It's supposed to be champagne and orange juice, but it's beer.
That's not a mimosa. Try it.
Take a sip and then drink that.
Is it like... No.
I was like, no, that's not what we got.
Oh, yeah.
That was really good.
I told you.
That was good. That was, oh. Not as good as the raspberry.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. 1 and 2 are really good. Yummy.
I would rate the raspberry one 10 out of 10. Lime, like 4 out of 10. Mango. I like the mango one better, so 7 out of 10.
Definitely they did it at the correct 1, 2, and 3 in flavor. Your ratings.
I'd say 7 out of 10.
Check in.
This was a fucking 1. But I mixed it, it's way better now. Station price.
Now that I have some money. Let me see what kind of batteries it needs. Remote control. Needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries of double A's. Damn. Well, 3 for here and 3 for here. Yeah. Make sure you pick a good one. Good stitching, good ears, good everything. Let me check this out. A big old stitch over here. We're gonna go like 2 years, 3 years. We're gonna go find Marla right now.
Children who are sitting with their parents.
Going back from the car, nice and napped. And the line to get back in for security is not that bad. That's so cute. I don't think he's impressed. He's skinny in that photo. He's like, that's not me.
Oh my god.
You see his face?
Hilarious. He's like,
Oh.
that's not me.
She's right there, struggling her way back. We're gonna get ready to go eat. We're having so much fun.
All set.
Thank you. It's pretty loud. Sodita. That does not taste like Sprite. My $10 slice of pizza. Making shake pretzels with cheese.
Yo, we just ate them. It won't flip. There. Don't flip. Don't flip. God no.
Currently 5:15. It was super warm, but I wanted to find a place to like really eat it. Can you tell where we're sitting at? Didn't have any lockers left, so this is what I gotta do. And then she took off her sweater. Well, not yet. You're going to, right? And it's, what, 6 o'clock? We're gonna get wet. I already know it. It's all wet. It's all wet. Take it off.
I'm like, what happened to that fucking thing?
My ear. Thank you. We're waiting to check in. We're gonna watch the projections today because it's Wednesday, and Wednesdays they don't do fireworks, only the weekends. Thank you. Look at this. What's your language? We moved a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Oh, you can see the light. Oh, you can see everything. Five minutes before the show. Voila. Oh, I remember hearing this. Bailale. On our way to Pirates. The line is free. Going into Pirates now. Waited all day just for this. For all of this emptiness. Corales. Let's go.
And Davy Jones waiting for me.